after a shocking viral video from Uttar Pradesh which shows how COVID test reports were forged during panchayat polls in the state. In this video, block community process manager is seen admitting that he could provide a false antigen test report for just 200 rupees. He also admits that there is a shortage of test kits. The viral video was shot by the husband of an ASHA worker who was deployed for poll duty during panchayat elections in the state.
कितने रुपए और लगे?
डबल करे 200 रुपए पर किस करे
200 रुपये।
हाँ
तो वहाँ इन्हों भी लगे?
ऐसे सबको लगेंगे।
अच्छा।
आज क्योंकि किटें हैं जो मोदी सरकार मरी पड़ गई, किटें दे नहीं रहे, किटें हैं सीमित और रिपोर्टें हमें देनी है।
अच्छा बताओ करवाइए।
काहे के सब करवाओ, किसी ने कहाँ दोनों आए ना करवाओ,
फिर एंट्री कैसा है?
भैया जे पाल साहब जानते हैं, मैं अपने कुर्सी पे बैठ गया, मैं किसी से पैसे नहीं देता। मैं जिसका काम करता हूँ अपने आशा का, तो आशा का अगर काम फर्जी करवाने तो पैसा चाहिए, नहीं फर्जी कराना बिल्कुल सेम ले आओ, बिल्कुल सही काम करो।
मतलब आप फर्जी काम कराए थे?
फर्जी काम करवा दे,
काम जो खूब करवा
फर्जी काम करवा दे भाई, फर्जी करा तो पैसा नहीं, नहीं तो ईमानदारी दो, तुम ईमानदारी दो, ईमानदारी से पैसा लो, पता है कोई पैसा नहीं, और तुम बेईमानी करोगे तो हम भी करेंगे, सीधी बात। और असल में 2200 का एक फॉर्मेट है, उसमें जितने कागज हैं कागज पूरा करके दिखाओ, एक भी पैसा नहीं, तो कागज नहीं पूरे हैं तो
अरे 1000 रुपये ले जाओ, तो 200 रुपया दे जाओ फिर आप।
भाई आप समझो हम क्या, आपने 2 नाम दिए और 400 रुपये दीजिए, अगर चाहिए तो, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं यार।
इनके ना लगे?
वैसे तो उनके भी लगेंगे।
Alok Singh joining us with more. So Alok, this is just one case exposed, and I imagine the same official may have indulged in it for many more people, and that just goes to show how dangerous this is if a person is roaming around with a false forged COVID certificate. These are the kind of corrupt practices. Then you have showed us many similar practices before. This is yet another one that government officials are indulging in.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, this is the video which was made during the time of panchayat election in Uttar Pradesh. Remember this officer who was deployed at one of the healthcare center in Farrukhabad, and he is caught clearly accepting the fact that there is a shortage of kit, and he has to give the report. So definitely he is indulging in the in giving the forced report as well, and he is also accepting the fact that rupees 200 will be charged for giving the forced report. So definitely this tells the whole story, what kind of checking was happening at that time, at that point in time when the panchayat election was going on. We also reported lot of crowd was happening, no social distancing, no that COVID appropriate behavior was being followed, and now this kind of administration was working at that point in time, and this perhaps is the reason that huge number of cases are still in Uttar Pradesh, although still Uttar Pradesh is in the top list of 5 states of the country. And definitely officer has now been dismissed from his duty. The district magistrate of Farrukhabad has also ordered the FIR against him. But this is clearly unfortunate that this kind of administration was prevailing at that point in time when the election was going on in Uttar Pradesh.
Right, daily cases in Uttar Pradesh is upwards of 30,000 even now. The fact of the matter is, Alok, like you pointed out, that while we are banking on the local authorities and district administration to do their bit to restrict cases, here they are doing just the opposite. And therefore, I want you also to talk us through that how, during the panchayat polls, this is not the only thing that has happened. Like you said, COVID protocols were not followed. After the results, we have shown those pictures that the leaders, they came out in a celebratory mood. So in Uttar Pradesh, the challenges are quite a few. It's not just the people not following COVID appropriate behavior, Alok.
Yes, absolutely. Not only the people who are not following the COVID behavior, but the responsible person, those who are authority, those who are in the authority, to give the correct report. They were indulging in this kind of corrupt activity. Definitely, this is shocking and unfortunate. In fact, let me tell you about this story that the person who is making this video, he is one of the husbands. He's husband of one of the ASHA workers who was deployed. Remember, during the time of election, Panchayat election, administration was forcefully asking the people, in fact, the teachers, the ASHA workers, to come on the duty during the time of election. And there was a pandemic was very high at that point in time as well. And in fact, there was threats come from the administration that the FIR will be registered if you don't turn up for the duty. So that perhaps is the reason this way that this person was giving the forced report, that what we can say whether is the person is not the COVID positive, but he might have given the COVID report, that positive COVID report, so that he could be avoided, he or she could be avoided to come for the duty. So this was also happening. Definitely, this was the corrupt practice, and the administration should take proper cognizance and also investigate it properly.
Yes, and it certainly looked like this official is used to this kind of a conduct. It didn't seem like he was doing it for the first time. And secondly, when the Election Commission made those rules for the counting day that everyone had to come in with a COVID report, these were the cases that were going on where people were coming in with forged reports. Now that it has come to light. Thanks for joining us, Alok.